Hey everyone, welcome back to Power Pro Academy. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most powerful features of Python, which is functions. By the end of this video, you'll be able to write efficient, reusable, and organized code using functions. So make sure you watch till the end. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to never miss an update. So first of all, what exactly are functions in Python? So functions are block of reusable code that perform a specific task. Instead of writing the same code multiple times, you can define a function and use it whenever needed. So this improves code readability, efficiency, and organization. For example, without functions, we might repeat the same code multiple times. With functions, we just call them when needed. So think of functions as mini machines that take input, process it, and give an output. Now, how can we define a function in Python? So here is a syntax of that. So for defining a function in Python, Python gives a simple keyword which is def. So the syntax looks like this: def space function name braces colon, and inside that colon we will write our function. So let's see an example of a simple function. So here I'm writing def space greet braces colon, and inside that block I am writing print hello, welcome to the Python functions. So here we created a function named greet, and when we call it, it prints a welcome message. Now the second question is, how can we call a function? So it is very simple. We have to just write the function name with braces, and when I run it, it gives me hello, welcome to the Python functions. Now let's take it up a notch and learn about function arguments. So sometimes we want to pass data to a function. This is where function argument comes in. So Python functions can have different type of argument. So there are majorly 4 types of it. The first one is positional arguments. The second one is keyword argument, then default argument, and the last one is variable length arguments. So let's see the first one, which is positional argument, and here order matters. Now let's define a function, and I'm writing here def space greet user braces, and inside it I am passing an argument which is name. Now inside the block I am writing print f. F is generally we called it F string, which provide a concise and convenient way to embed Python expression inside string literals for formatting. So F, and inside the quote hello comma space and name, and in this name variable I am passing an argument. So when I am gonna run it, so we know how to run a function. So I am writing the function name braces, and inside that braces I have to write one name because I am passing an argument in the function. So my name is Satyam and I am writing it here, and now when I run this code, it will give me a output which is hello Satyam. So here we pass Satyam as an argument and the function greets the user. Now the second one is keyword argument, and here order doesn't matter. So here is an example. So def space introduce, and here I am passing 2 arguments. The first one is name and the second one is age, and inside that block I am writing print f colon my name is variable which is name, and I am the second variable which is age years old. Now when I run this function, so introduce braces, and here I am assigning the key value pairs. So here the order doesn't matter, so I am writing age equals to 25 and name equals to Satyam, and when I run it, it gives me an output which is my name is Satyam and I am 25 years old. So with keyword arguments we specify which value goes where. Now the third one is default argument, which is provide default values. So here is the example. So I am writing def space greet, and inside that I am writing name equals to user. Now I am defining a default value for that name. So inside that block, I am writing printf quotes hello name. And when I run the function, which is create braces, and when I not passing any argument inside that function and run it, it gives me hello user, because user is the default value of the name. And when I run the function second time by passing an argument, which is my name, and run it, it gives me the value hello Satya. So if we don't pass an argument, Python uses the default value. Now the last one is variable length argument, which is generally star args and star kwargs. Basically this is not star, it is asterisk. So let's come to the example. So def space add numbers, and inside this I am passing an argument which is asterisk numbers. Now in the block I am returning sum, which is a function, and the numbers. So now I am calling the function. So first of all, I have to save that inside a variable. So I am initializing a variable here, which is a result, and the result equals to function name braces, and I can give multiple value inside an variable length argument. So here I am giving the value 10, 20, 30, 40. And when I am print the result, it gives me the sum of these all numbers, which is 100. So with asterisk args, we can pass multiple values. So basically asterisk args are positional arguments, whereas asterisk kwargs are the keyword arguments. Now the next one, function can also return values, as we can see in our previous example. So it allowing us to store and use data output. For example, returning a single value. So I am writing def space square, and inside that I am passing an argument which is num, and in the block I am returning num asterisk num, which gives me square of a number. So in the result variable I am writing the function name braces and 5. So generally I am getting the square of 5, and when I am printing that result, it gives me 25, which is the square of 5. So here the function calculates the square of a number and return the result. Now the next one. So in this example we are returning multiple values. So def space calculate, and here I am defining two arguments x and y, and inside the block add equals to x plus y, multiply equals to x into y, and I am returning add comma multiply, which gives me two values. So I am storing it. Now I have two variables, sum result and product result, and I am calling the calculate function and giving the arguments here 5, 3. Now when I am printing sum result and product result, I am getting two different outputs. In the sum result I am getting 8, whereas in product result I am getting 15. So this function returns both the sum and product of the two numbers. Now let's do some practical examples. So the first one is temperature converter. So let's do the code here. Def space Celsius to Fahrenheit, and here I am giving an argument which is Celsius. So basically in this function we are passing the temperature in Celsius and calculating the result in Fahrenheit and return it. So in the block I am returning the formula of the Celsius to Fahrenheit. So Celsius asterisk 9 divided by 5 plus 32, and it gives me the result in Fahrenheit. So when I am printing that function, so I am calling the function Celsius to Fahrenheit, and I am writing the value 25, means 25 degrees Celsius. And when I run the function, it gives me 77.0, means 25 degrees Celsius is 77 Fahrenheit. Now the second example. Here we will check the number is even or odd. So the def space is even, and I am passing the argument num, and in the block I am returning num %2 equals to 0, means when I divide a number by 2, it always gives a result of 0. And when it gives it, it is the even number. So when I am printing that, I am calling the function is even and I am passing 10 inside the function. And when I run it, it gives me true. So the 10 is even. Now I am writing the same for testing the odd one. So now I am passing 7 here, and after running the code, I will get false. So here we can know the 7 is not even number. Now the next example is finding the largest number. So def space find max, and here I am giving 3 arguments inside that function, num1, num2 and num3, and in the block I am returning max of these numbers. So here find max is a user defined function, whereas the max is default function of Python. It gives the maximum number from the given arguments. So when I print that function find max and I am passing here the numbers 10, 25 and 7, and after running it, it gives me 25, which is the largest number as given by myself. And that's it. Now you know how to define function, use argument and return values in Python. So here is a quick recap. Function help us write usable structure and efficient code. The second one is we learned about function argument, which is positional, keyword, default and variable length functions. The arguments. The third one, we explored how function return values and saw real world example. So practice these concepts and try creating your own functions. And also subscribe to our channel for more Python tutorials, join our WhatsApp community, comment below with your doubts and let me know what's your favorite Python function. See you in the next video. Happy coding!